Welcome to 3 Google Quick Tips if you're researching your family tree. This is a tidbit for my webinar, Using Google Effectively to Supplement Your Research. And I'm Trainer Lori. Here's a quick tip. If you're on a Facebook group like I am, or 15, that helps with genealogy searches, a lot of times people will say, "Can you read the cause of death on this?" Well, you might just figure it out with Google. Type in what letters you know without spaces. You must keep them grouped in without spaces or Google thinks it's another word to search. With just a few letters, Google thinks you misspelled consumption, and you can choose to open a dictionary definition for that word, and that was the right word. Doesn't always work, but it's really nice when you don't want to wait for a Facebook group to respond. Sometimes it doesn't give you the definition on the first page, so you have to scroll to find it. If you want the definition first, then use my favorite quick tip. I use this all the time, okay, at least once a week, but maybe more. Type in define : no space word, like Cooper. This is Google shorthand or code to help you get what you want. That code, put the definition right at the top. We'll cover more on code later, but that's pretty cool, isn't it? Define : and then no space, and then the word that you're searching. Here's another quick tip. Let's say that you're looking at the 1920 census, and it says that the person's age is 69. This is a really good one. Ready? So when were they born? I'm not good at doing math in my head, but my friend Google is. In the search bar, I simply type 1920 minus 69. And when I hit enter, I've got an about birth year. Isn't that useful? It opens a calculator and completes the math faster than I can find the calculator on my computer. That's why I always have Google open, because I use it for so many things.